Our classrooms should always be places of inquiry, where teachers are trusted as the professionals they are, and students aren't shielded from the truth. The Trump administration is trying to control what's being taught in our classrooms. They labeled it patriotic education. But let's call it what it really is: replacing historical fact with revisions that will eventually take away rights for so many groups of people that have only recently been won, and erasing the contributions and honest history of people of color in the United States. This isn't American. This is authoritarianism. Punishing teachers and restricting curriculum, banning books, and controlling media is how dictatorships operate. Frederick Douglass once said, "If there is no struggle, there is no progress." Will the administration's version of history allow students to learn that Douglass was fighting against slavery? As a 6-year-old girl, Ruby Bridges crossed the color line at school in 1954. Will students learn how significant that event was and how it shaped modern day? Grappling with our nation's past is not something that can be glossed over or whitewashed. Honest history cannot be erased. The diversity of cultures is part of the tapestry of America. However, if children are fed propaganda and flat-out lies, they may never know the truth or how to work toward creating a better future.